Good morning, everyone. It's Frazelma Lynn, the Parenting911 Coach. So I hope you've gotten all the children off to school. I just want to give you a little nugget. If you have children that are pre-K age or under, here is something you can do to help them in so many ways. When you wash your clothes and you have this whole basket of socks, take the socks and teach that 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old how to match the socks up. You're going to teach them in that one task how to look for size, large, small, how to look for color. So you're teaching them their colors. You're teaching them pair. The word pair means two. And then you're teaching them how to look for details. So they're looking for patterns in that one activity. So amazing. Please let them join in whatever you do.